tahimik lang, pero grabe yung pinapakita nila dito. And siyempre natin napakakulat ni Crab. Meron pa yung Igor tayo. At nakamangay namang players na paano save and break na yung buhay ng Lord.
Hindi nila ibibigay Lord.
Oo, parang
Hindi nila ibibigay Lord.
ibibilit yata ka sa parang delikado. Kailangan makapag-set up play dito sa Black PC kung gusto na nila.
Nalabanan.
Final
team fight na matubos. Sasabihin ng caster. Kung sino man yung caster, sasabihin, is this the final team fight?
It's gonna be the final Lord.
Gaganon na yung caster.
English cast makakari sila sa nila.
Sa English cast ba yun?
Oo. Ay, napakasok ka sila.
Alam mo na, real manipulation. If you're not agad ng pwesto. Real manipulation. This is Stormy. Nagkabaliwa na. Tignan natin. Baka magkakaroon si View dito. Wala na Daisy. Ang sako. Wala na rin si View. Pero makakari Super Marco dito. Super Marco. Ginagawa na ako. Ang sako po si Innocent ay nagulate.
Last! Last! Yan! Woo!
Matatapos na.
Nice!
Bilis!
Woo!
Na hindi sila basta-basta.
Baka si Vincent pa din eh. No, MVP? Mukhang siya pa din.
Guys, congratulations! You have stood taller than the defending and the reigning MSC champions and the world champions. You are the new MSC champions at the Esports World Cup. How do you feel right now?
I still damn I'm not wake up yet.
You won $1 billion. What's the first thing that you want to buy?
It feels like a dream because, you know, we didn't expect it you will get the champions. We just want to play and really show to the world that we can fight against trophies.
You definitely proved that. Incredible performance from you. It was absolutely fantastic. And I have to say thank you to everyone that's been here. Guys, one more time, come on, give it up. Silango Red Giants!
Stormy! Coach Ozora Becky! Coach Arcadia! And now, it's time to announce
For none other than Second!
Usually,
Ay, wala. Maganda.